Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so super excited to finally be here with another card for you guys. It's been like over a month and a half since I uploaded a video here on YouTube, and that is due to that my family and me have been moving to a big house. So I'm super excited, and now I finally have my own craft room. Oh, except that I'm sharing it with my with my man. So it's nearly my own space anyway. But it's all good, and I'm trying out the lighting and the desk and everything. So in the coming weeks my videos will be having a better quality, I'm hoping. Give me some tips if you want to, like how I could put up my lighting and stuff. Please give me comments, but because I can see here in the video that the light bulbs is showing up, and that was not my purpose, and I'm sorry if that is bothering you. But until I get my settings done, hopefully that will be fine with you, because I'm doing a lot of cards like in the nighttime, and yeah, so that is why I have to have good lighting inside and not depending on like daylight. So yeah, hopefully this will actually make you get more videos from me, since I can do videos here on the evenings too. So I'm using a couple of the mini ink cubes from Lawn Fawn. I really like them, and I have been ordering a couple of more of these sets. And I started off with the colored butter, and then I used sunflower here. And then I'm gonna take my favorite colors from Lawn Fawn. This is the Minty Fresh, really beautiful teal color. It's yeah, I wish everything could be in this color. And then I used a light gray color. I think it was the lightest one I used. In that case it's called Menet, I think. It could have been Hippo too. Maybe you can read it on the screen, because I can't actually see it here on my little tiny image. So I'm going around and filling in all those images, and then I'm gonna take a VersaFine Onyx black ink. And I wish I had taken another black ink. This is my favorite black ink, but that was why I reached for it. But I actually later on decided to heat emboss the sentiment, and unfortunately some of the embossing powder stuck onto those black dots, because it wasn't completely dry, since it takes a couple of minutes extra to dry this type of inks. So here I'm just trying out what kind of colors I want on the card base. I think I said that in the past couple of videos that I've really been liking using different kinds of colors on my card panels. Sorry, not on my card panels, on my card bases. Before I just used white because I really liked it, but now I like to coordinating with the colors in the products that I'm using. So that is what I'm doing here. And I used a sentiment for this card from this stamp set. By the way, this stamp set is from Concord and it's called Hello Lovely. Really beautiful stamp set. And the sentiment here is lovely, and I'm heat setting that, making sure that it's perfect, taking away some powder that's got stuck where I didn't want it. And then I heat set it with my heat tool. And I'm doing that really carefully so that I warp this panel. And when this is completely embossed, I'm letting it dry a couple of seconds, and then I'm going in with the rest of the sentiment, doing the same steps here. And I'm just filling that in with Hello Lovely, and taking the same embossing powder, filling it back into that little jar, heat setting it, making sure that I'm not overheat setting this, since I already have heat set in the first part of this sentiment. I don't want to destroy that part. When I'm done with that, I'm taking some strong double-sided tape. This is from my HG gun, and I'm adhering that down onto this A2 size card base. I'm sorry. And to embellish this card, I actually am taking a couple of black and see-through Nuvo drops. I actually had let this dry overnight, and then I placed them down on top of this card. And right from the jar I'm taking the clear one and just going over some parts of these flowers and leaves. Really like this, it looks like small water droplets. So guys, this was the card for today. Really simple and beautiful, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more of my projects, you can always subscribe to my channel here at YouTube. and I will be back soon with a couple of more videos. I will be better on uploading in a couple of weeks, so stay tuned for that. Until next time, have a great day. Bye guys!